my name is Josh, and today we'll be talking about attributes. So, I mean attributes, you're trying to add an information to a tag. Let's say you want to give a tag an ID, use attributes. Or you want to specify an image path, it means to give an image where to collect the image from, either from the web or local, use attributes. So attributes is basically like a property that has a value. If you want to explain, let's say we all have names. You all know we all have names, but my particular name is my value. So Joshua, or Patience, or Luke is the value. So basically it's like, so this is how the code goes, like name equals Joshua. So basically like a container, but in that container is a value. Let's say in this area you want to put an image, add an image of the screen, or want to specify the route. What I mean specify the route, let's say that you want to go to another page. So you're specifying, okay, if I click on this, you should send me to this page. I don't give you that. You can be able to do more things with your tags. Let's say you want to give an image, an SRC. There's source, lots of attributes. We have source, we have what else? We have name, we have ID, we have class. There are lots of them. Attributes just enable you to take more control of your tag. There are a lot of attributes. We have SRC, like I said before. We have the class, the ID. We have placeholder. There are lots of tags for different things you want to do in HTML. So if you're looking for, okay, what are the more attributes and tags? What are the more attributes that you can find? You can check out the B3 schools. It'll show you how they use attributes to style, how they use attributes for a form. Just check them out. Another thing is that there are separate attributes for specific tags. Let's say you want to, I want to create an image. SRC is basically for doing an image, iframe, or audio. Or if I want to do other things like, I want to do a form. Name is for form. We have placeholder for form. We have type for form. There are lots of other things. For button, we have type. So there are for the link tag, we have the href. So there are lots of attributes for different tags. SRC can be used for audio, video, and pictures. You can import those pictures from either the web or your local machine. And basically, as I said, attributes just allows you to have more control of your tag. So when I said href, you were wondering, what is href? Href means hypertext reference. You're basically referencing another page, so when you click it, it helps you jump from one page to another. There are lots of attributes for every tags. There's attributes for image tag, attributes for a tag, attributes for anything you want to do in HTML. So let's get to the next section where I'll tell you how these attributes look like, how they work with tags, and even want to do a first style. Thank you. God bless you. And let's go over to the next section, showing you how the attributes work. And let me get into my project first. So if you want to know where did this project come from, it was from my last video. So if what I've read about, can you notice the attribute right here I talked about in the earlier session? It's href or href. I call it href, which is not the best way to call it. Just call it href. So this is how you can link pages to another I talked about previously. So now let's play around with more. So let's do an image. Okay. So first, what's an image tag? An image tag is a tag that allows you to import images using the SRC attribute. Remember that. So let me do an image. Remember the normal tag style image. And then I will go in here, yes, right here, and I'll put something called an SRC. So SRC is short for source. If you read, it's short for source. So that you're sourcing, you're importing a file. So then I already have a picture here. So let me get that picture. Okay, let me paste here. It's a bit about chicken nuggets. So what I'm going to do only is I'm just going to come right here and I am going to type in the source. So basically I am just typing in the source of my photo. So I would recommend you make your photo this long so it can be easily ported. Don't put too much words in it, because it's just me that's doing that. Don't put too much words in your stuff. So now we've done. So let me open my Google Chrome and let's see what we got. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Yes, this was done using what we call the attribute tags. So, wow, this is getting me hungry. So as I was saying, this is what I was talking about when you could import images. So let's do one more thing. What else can I import? Let me see. Okay, let me get into this file. And when I was talking about the input name, this is what the input name was used for. So their name tag is actually a real name attribute. Is actually a real attribute in HTML. It is used for getting the name of a particular kind of tag. So like it's for basically used for inputs. People are doing database stuff to connect it to your MongoDB or your PHP database. MySQL database. You have to use that. So that's basically how the attribute works. I will show you more, but later on we're going to be using styles to the style attribute to do some CSS. So let me just show you what it is. Let me show you how it looks like and what it can do. So let's say I want to make my handshake colorful. I'm going to color red. Now I'm not gonna get deep into this. I'm just going to show you how the attribute works. Color red. In later video, I'll show you how the whole CSS works. This is not the most ideal way to style your your tags, but it's the best way for beginners who don't understand how to link files, or there are other ways of doing CSS. There's actually a style tag that you can add there. So there are lots more. So in the next style video, we'll be talking about all of those. But right now, this is all about attributes. We talk about the src, href, and the other attributes we have. Let's say we have name, we have ID, class. So when you're using class, when I'll be talking about CSS, class has to be used mostly for, let's say, trying to link your file, to do your styles actually. So you don't just add code your styles here. You have a other style file where it will be linked using a link ref. And also in that later video, we're going to be using an ID. This video has to take code. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the like button. And bye.